Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Today I'm starting with designing some custom checkbox. Let's see how it goes. Hmm, yes, extremely basic discussion. So first things first, we are designing circle checkbox. Like this one, circle checkbox. Let's go display flex cool. Let's check how it affects the traffic. Okay, no effects. Display flex cool. Align items center. Okay. Align items. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Nothing happened. Cool. Okay, justify center. Okay, not justify. I mean yes, justify. No justify needed. Okay. Cursor the default. Let's see what it does by default. By default it's like this. Okay. And if we do it not allowed.
Yeah, yeah.
If we make it not allowed, what? Let us see. Not allowed. No. Let's check. It should disappear. Why the? It should disappear, right? It's clear over here that it's not allowed. And it's not allowed. Must be okay. It's something I don't understand. Font, famous, okay. Yes, body fan, sans, okay, now let's see. No need, I guess. Alright. Well, yes, I do code for fun, and I'm not in mood of making some value cheat. Yes, uh, it's good to see two viewers too. Thanks for dropping by. Which app are you using to record? Well, it's Streamlabs. It's Streamlabs. It's clear. I showed you all. It's Streamlabs. You see? It's Streamlabs. Just like the stream, guys. Please. 3 likes. God damn it. I guess velocity left. No, anyways, I'm gonna keep up with the. Um, already like nice. That's really nice. So today I'm designing checkbox. I did earlier, but like I forgot how to design it actually. So finally I'm learning it, how to design it. So now the next thing is designing the input, which is circle checkbox input, and in here we'll what are you building? It's a portfolio website. Yeah, let me show you. It's a portfolio website, and there's an experiments section where I'll. Oh, so this is really nice. Like when I toggled it to not allowed, now it's showing some barrier kind of symbol. Okay, that was cool. So yeah, this is my portfolio site. Portfolio, home, about, services, projects, contact, hire me. Hi, I am Shreyas, creative developer. I design and develop experiences that make people's life simple through web and mobile apps. This is my work and contact me. And here's the magic. This is the magic. I really love it. I really do. And then this. What the heck? Okay. It's there. See? Like this. When I hover it, it just rotates 360 degree and comes back to its original position. And see, this is GitHub and Dribble. Dribble one is really classy. Like you see the transition, and this is a graphic. And now about me section, I did this on my own. Like I haven't screenshotted it from somewhere. I genuinely don't you think header's height is too much? Well, let me. Yeah, this thing, right? Yeah. It's navbar, and it's too much. Like yes, I know. I'm gonna fix it, but later. I had that feeling. Thanks for telling me. I used to feel it, but I couldn't really address it. That what is it that's not fitting in my portfolio. But now I know it's the height of. It's because of padding, by the way. Yeah, and just a simple toggle can fix it. You know, a simple toggle can fix it. Just one thing I have to do, which is, by the way, it's all written in Tailwind CSS. Yeah, it's padding, and now I'm gonna fix it. I'll make it border box or something like that. I don't know, but at least giving it a try is good. Box sizing, box. Okay, border box, content box. What it does, content box, border box, I guess. Border box basically it includes the border within the box. Nothing, nothing really happened. Box border, and let's check box content. I felt like this is gonna work. I haven't started learning Tailwind yet, and I'm thinking of purchasing the Tailwind license. Okay, nothing seems to work in here, so let's do something else. Sticky cool, padding 32 and 8. Yes, this thing needs to be fixed. X 32. Okay, okay, 32 is cool, no worries. This 8 needs to be 4, which is 1 RAM. PY 4 will be 1 RAM. What the? Okay, I got it. 4, yes, 1 RAM, you see, and now this is going to work for sure. Yes, it's working. Let's go. Now, is it still to what's your internet speed? It lags when I stream, but yours is not lagging. Let me show you the magic. Okay, no spoilers, no spoilers, no spoilers, no fucking spoilers. Just the magic. By the way, it's Airtel broadband. When I'm seeing, 50, 70 Mbps, you see, and now it's raising 140, 150, 166, 200 Mbps. Let's go, baby. And upload speed, insanity. Upload speed is insanity, dude. Upload speed is insanity. Really decent ping. I got really decent ping. It's 300 Mbps plan, and it works for me. By the way, there's a TV in my house and it's playing, and then um yeah, yeah, I am streaming that. I'm basically watching this stream on my phone. I'm watching this stream on my phone. So it's on 1080p, by the way. So a 1080p stream on phone, a 1080p stream on TV, and then a stream ongoing. So it's a whole lot of internet load, but it still works. What's the price? It's like 1900 per month. 1900 per month. And I have something useful for you. If you can see it, if you can see it, it's basically it's called from 0 to 1 crore in 2025. The secret roadmap nobody tells you. Wait, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. Yeah, this is something really helpful for you. 1900, yes, 1900 per month. Your Ghibli art is good, but do you have a nose? I can't see it. It's either it's my phone. I can't see your nose. Let me zoom it. It's not possible. for some reason. 3 likes on my stream. I'm loving it. I go offline for a real long time, dude. You know the reason why I go offline for so long. So yeah, basically I'll share the link of this video with you and it's gonna help. The nose is small and all, yes. So let me share you the link with you, and here it is. Yeah, that's the video. Share, copy link. Are you interested by any chance? By the way, there's only 2 likes showing on my device. Shit, shit. That means this motherfucker didn't like my. Okay, no, he's not a motherfucker. He's a good viewer. Okay, he Harsh went offline, I guess. Are you still there? Hush. I guess he's not interested. No worries. Yeah, a little bit of worry, but alright, I can handle it. Okay, you are there, you are there. You are still there. Great. Then that means there was someone else watching my stream. Okay. I wonder who he or she could be. Oh my. Tailwind thesis is a lot more fun when you build such portfolios. By the way, if aren't you watching on phone? Yeah, I'm watching, but it should not reflect the view count of mine. Yeah, I'm watching on my phone and streaming on PC, but here's the thing. It doesn't show my view count as the view count. Yes. It doesn't count me as a viewer because I'm watching with the same channel on which I'm streaming. Although there are bugs, sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, when I think about it, I feel really cool. Yeah, yeah. And I'm watching the stream on my phone, but still it's there. So yeah, if you have stuck to the stream for this long, let me show you whose idea is this. You can't say that I have like reduced this thing out of my head. No, it's not. I have copied it from somewhere, and here's the magic. It's Canva AI. It's amazing tool, dude. What ChatGPT asks like 4,800 per month for, Canva does it for free. Canva does it for free. You see, the whole thing is here, and I am building it on my own using Tailwind CSS. A knife question. How can I copy the code? But apparently, it's not showing me the code. Sorry. Yeah. And there's a bug. There's a bug you can see. You see, this is the bug. It's basically its z index is more than the z index of portfolio, and in here it doesn't really do the spinning thing. I have done it on my own using Tailwind. No, not really. I haven't used Tailwind CSS. Actually, it was vanilla CSS. Yes, obviously. And as you have sticked so long, I'll have to tell you, dude. I can't put someone such delusion that it's my idea. So yeah, I have copied, but I have not asked for a single line of code from any kind of AI. Not a single line. I have written all the code on my own. Even this thing, I have designed this block using CSS, tailwind CSS, this whole block. I created a div which is this box, then three divs inside which is one, two, three, and then designing these basically. And I did I set the position of this box as relative, and then this blue box as absolute, and then I put the top, bottom, and all properties so that I can pull it little outside, kind of burst out of the box, make it appear like. It's surprising. You'll be surprised. It took like I have the record. I have tracked everything. It took day 58. It took around 2 months. 2 months, yes, 2 months. And now I'm on to JS. I have paused Python and I'm thinking of continuing it. But before Python, I guess I should learn Linux. By the way, you know Linux, right? Yeah, you already know Linux. You are too much into code, dude. I know nothing. I'm learning Linux these days from this site. Let me show you. Unit, don't bullshit me, please. Okay, have subscribed. That's great. That's great. Yeah, I'm learning Linux too. So I'll stream Linux stuff as soon as I can do something with Linux. But currently, it's not possible because like I'm learning basics of shell, and from this lecture itself, I'll have to install CentOS. And once I have installed CentOS, then Linux would be a lot more fun for the viewers. For me, it's still fun, but you know, then I'll be able to code stuff and the commands like grep, pwd, and whatever. I don't know much about it. I just knew these two, grep and pwd, so I just spill it away. And yeah, yeah, I know this might be boring. You can leave if you want. That's all I can say. Because I'm a beginner, I know my skills are not that mature to attract the viewers and to deliver them to them consistently, the content itself. So yeah, feel free to leave. I'm not saying fuck off, okay? It's not like I'm saying fuck off in some gentle words. No, it's not. Okay. Okay, so you are like me. Nice. Nice. You you are a little bit like me. You aren't here to just entertain yourself. Great. But you're gonna entertain yourself anyways, even if you think about it or not. But there are some people who just, okay, you are a beginner. Yeah, it's more ironical than my name, than my social identity. Yeah, so if you wanna feel grounded, like you wanna see basic stuff, coding stuff, drop by on my stream and you can watch whatever you wish. No, man, you're not. You just don't. You haven't just realized your worth. But I know, and I know more than you do. I guess. I just guess. That was too narcissistic. Like, I know your worth more than you do. What the fuck is this? But yeah. So when are you going to your college? Have you got your admission? Have you got any admission? I didn't say I'm incompetent or anything, but it's true. You know more stuff than me, and I acknowledge that. Damn, that came as something really good. Yeah, I don't know how to react to this, but I don't think I know stuff more than you. You have the experiences, you have seen things. At least you have seen things. Even if you don't remember, you have seen things at least. You know, and if you confront them again in your life, you'll be like, yeah, I have been there. I have been in acquaintance with these things. And this is the very thing that we don't realize. We think the things that we have seen are not really worth it until and unless we just memorize it. But sometimes it's just seen. If you have seen something, that's enough. About college, that's really nice. You are free until you don't know anything about it. You are so free. You have the liberty, kid, not kid. I just try to sound little poetic, but yeah, this is liberty. College is going to get you so limited, but you have the strength to push the limits in college as well. You are intellectual, which is like a core thing to push your limits wherever you sit. I can't believe YouTube is not promoting my videos to anyone else. It's just me and you. And like you and me belong together like old iced tea. Okay, I'm not gay. Yes, that's an XT thing. So should I start coding? Like, you wanna see me code stuff? Like, my first agenda is to design this thing. Let me show you. Yeah, this thing. These. Yeah, yeah, sure, you can leave. It's been a pleasure to have you on the stream, Harsh. And thanks for being a regular viewer. Even when I'm so inconsistent, you are consistent with me. And you can't believe how I feel about it. Yeah, yeah. You are more consistent than me, Harsh. Like, I didn't stream for a month, but when I'm back, you are back again. And that makes you something special for me. Something, not someone. Someone is special for me, yes. Objectifying is like a core, a core trait of mine. Just objectify everything. Wait, I'm not consistent. I have no coding for 10 days or so. I have not been coding for 10 days or so. But whenever I stream, I see you on my stream, dude. You are consistent in here, so I can relate that you are the same consistent in your life as well. And even if you're not, you can return. You're not attached to something. So when you just leave it for some days, you feel like detached, and then the regret game loops. It's not gonna happen in your case. But that means you don't have emotions, which is not a good thing. Okay, I said something and now I am kind of crippled into it. Ah, life is so paradoxical. You say something and then you realize it's continue learning. See you later. Yeah, bye bye. Bye bye. Have a good day ahead. So now chat. I know there's no one in the chat, but still, it's time to go to get the real code down on the paper. Not on the paper, but on the screen. So custom check. Yes, I was styling with CSS. Let's go. So it's basically circular checkbox input. Yes, there it is. Display none. This is gonna be fun. Display none. I have tried display. Okay, I have tried cursor not allowed, and I saw something like this. And now it's done for display none. It literally disappeared. It did disappear, dude. Okay. Okay, now he was close. Yeah, there was a song. Okay, so checkbox input display none. So now I know what display none does. Now circular checkbox and custom check. Okay. Circle checkbox custom check. Okay, custom check this is. So now I have to style it. Border radius 50%. In Tailwind CSS there's an border radius full, and what it does is what is rounded full, not border radius full. It's rounded full. And let me show you where it is. Where is it? I know where to find it. Yeah, here you see rounded full. 999 pixels. Insanity. What the fuck is 999 pixels? So yeah, wait. Let's design it real quick. So 20 RAM would be 1.25. 20 pixel would be 1.25 RAM. Nice. And height would be the same, 1.25 RAM. Okay, cool. 1.25 RAM. That's nice. And then border radius, which is rounded in Tailwind CSS. Radius 50%. Border radius done. And time for background color aqua. Let's go. Background color aqua. Okay, I'll have to get some border 2 pixel solid. 2 pixel is too much, I think. Let's see what is 999 border gray. No, aqua. Let's make it playful. Oh, wow, really nice. 1.25 RAM is too much, so I just put a 1 before it and it becomes little small. And boom, yeah, now it doesn't look fine, so I will, what should I do? Okay, I have a tweak, I can use that. 1 RAM, what do you think about 1 RAM? Just 16 pixels. Sixteen pixels is good, man. Yeah, and I need a little bit of, yeah. So yeah, experiments. Yes, experiments. Checkbox, circle checkbox, tool, label, input, span, and custom check. Yes, I need gap in this. So what? Circle checkbox. Yeah, gap. One run is too much. Point. 125 done, which is 2 pixels. 2 pixels is not that much. So 0.25, which is 4 pixels. 4 pixels, yes. 4 pixels is like just decent. I think it should be there. Yeah. So it's done. I don't understand why it's not allowed. What's the reason? See, see, whatever. Margin, right? Position relative. Okay. Position what? Position relative? Okay. Okay. Position relative. That's position relative. So now it's related to itself. Wherever it is, it's related to itself. In the flow of the document, it's related to itself. That's the definition of position relative. Margin, I don't need. Checkbox input checked. Okay. So now circle checkbox. Circle checkbox. Yes. Input check disable. And let's hover it. Input check disable. Cool. Check disable plus custom check. No. Background color 2563 EB. Okay, border copy paste. Nice. Wow, nice colors. CCC and 999 both are gray. Okay, so now just put a text symbol over there and that's good to go. I guess so. Oh yes, I haven't actually. I have to make it checked and disabled. Checked and disabled. Second, disable, and I don't like this color. Aqua. I come around. Boom. If I need a text symbol over there, what should I do? Span, yes. Span. Let's check if there's something for us. Not this. Is there some text symbol? Tick, tick, tick. Oh yes, there is. There is. And if we go to the browser and see. Perfecto. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. Class absolute. This is relative, okay? This is relative. So if we make it absolute and bottom 8 pixel, fuck no, 4 pixels. Oh lord. Okay, I got it. Relative, yes, relative. This thing is gonna be wrapped in another span or EM. What is EM? It's italic, I guess. EM, what it is? Let me hover it and check it what it is. Strong, yes, that was strong. It's semantic. When we put strong, it becomes semantic. I know, brother. ID tech class relative. Okay, no, not relative. Absolute class absolute and bottom 1/3. 25%. Yes, 25%. Let's try. If we refresh it, no, it's not fucking working. Bottom, can't we just put something? Let me check that once. Two pixels is good. No, it's not. So let's wait a second. I got it. X in X, let's say padding of 2 py 1. Looks so shit. It looks so shit. I guess we should not do tailable CSS when we do this, right? Yes, let's not complicate it with tailable CSS for now. Let we refresh, it's working. And it's blue. It's working. It's fucking working. Alright, alright. Mm-hmm. What it does, I don't know. So let's check. After, after. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Not better. Okay. So now content. Content. Content is this. Position. Absolute. Now I know how it's gonna work. Custom check is relative. That span is basically relative. Now the magic it's happening. The magic it's happening. Top. Top. How much it should be? Top from top. Okay, 4 pixels, which is 4 pixels is 0.25 gram and 2 pixels is 0.125 gram. RAM makes it responsive and I love it. So top left is done. Fade. 0.25 gram with 0.25 gram. Height 0.75 gram. Border solid white. Border width border width. XD. Lol. Something seems to be missing. If, if we just remove this, what after this? I just wanna know what after this, dude. Why the fuck are you messing up with me, man? It's so confusing. Uh, I'm cooked, bro. Let's erase this whole CSS. Okay, boom. Well, this doesn't seem to work out for me, and let me show you. I can't understand the code. Let's design this. Inline block. How come? Why the hell are you setting it inline block? Okay, so the into it. Okay. Position relative understood, because we need to set absolute for other ones, and then that's how the flow will happen. Padding 30 pixels, margin 10 pixels, there's the pointer. Okay. Font size 1 gram. Position absolute opacity 0%, 1. That's nice. That's nice. Nice. So basically, what it does is it's an inline block. Like it's inline. So padding margin will work on this. Okay, padding margin will work on this. Will have its own padding, its own margin. Got it. Just left padding. In combination with flow and projection, it determines the type of boxes are chosen for an element. Nice. Position related to it. For this capacity is a property. Just got to know. Not RAM, just 0. Cool. Check mark, right? Check mark, yes. Position absolute. I don't fucking understand. Leave these. Check mark, position absolute, top 0, and left 0, top left 0, height 1 rem, width 1 rem, check mark, 219 2196 F3 2196 F3 border areas border color correct. Not actually. Border aqua madam. This will be aqua. What went wrong? Is it too much? One is too much? Is it so? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. If we make it flex, and refresh the page, lol. So then let's make it in line block as well. Let's see. Let's try to debug it. Firstly, this will be changed. No, not 10 point. Just 0 point. Solid. Yes. From left it's 0. We haven't added display to this block. Now let's see. Nothing seems to work. If we remove this top left, let's see. Not working. see. Yes, it worked. I guess it's better to do on my own, right? And we'll try to solve this problem later. For now, we'll just leave it.